My name is Pete Rowland. I am a senior consultant, formerly founding partner with Litigation Insights. I am not retired and enjoying my work more than ever. I was a professor at the University of Kansas for 24 years. I was at the Brookings Institution in the 85-86 academic year as a visiting scholar. I was studying judicial and juror behavior. I went to a cocktail party and happened to meet an attorney who was representing the National Iranian Oil Company in Jackson, Mississippi. We determined to do a mock trial at a small law school. I made all the arrangements as carefully as I could and realized about 10:30 the night before there was no lunch scheduled for the mock jurors. I ran to a Piggly Wiggly, got a lot of white bread, bologna and mayonnaise, made a bunch of sandwiches, and never had a happier bunch of mock jurors. We had a very good case outcome, and the rest is history. Wow, there's so many, but the one that comes to mind is the Derrick Thomas rollover case. Derrick Thomas was a Hall of Fame linebacker for the Kansas City Chiefs. He left for the airport on a very icy road, rolled his Chevy Suburban over, and was killed. We were involved in that case from the very beginning, from focus group to a shadow jury at trial. And the case ended with an emphatic defense verdict. Very satisfying. Three things. First, working with very smart attorneys in collaborative, challenging settings. Second, being able to use my experience and educational background in very positive, satisfying ways. And third, the camaraderie and friendships that grow out of these cases working with clients and my Litigation Insights friends and colleagues. Keeping in mind that this all started in 1985, two changes come to mind. First, in those days, consulting was almost entirely limited to mom and pop, one or two person operations. Today, larger full service firms have displaced the moms and pops, and I think consulting has become more professional. And the second is vanishing trials. The percentage of cases that go to trial today is so much smaller than it was back in the 80s. Some people think this is a good thing, and I understand that. However, I don't. I think the civil trial is an important part of our democracy, and it's a part of our democracy that offers everyday people a chance to participate as jurors in an important process. You can expect the insights gleaned from 30 years of experience, and you can expect a commitment that will never waver. Well, three things. Fish, and then I go fishing, and then I fish again. I love to fish, and I have the pictures to prove it.